Of course, I'm sharing this because it's something I've learned, I've gained experience with this, and I decided to share this to other beginners, other hardware engineers who are finding it hard to solder effectively. So hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is actually for my engineering folks. In this channel you could also develop hardware expertise. If you're new to soldering, you might have noticed that keeping your hands steady can be a real challenge, and in fact this is not just you. So there are many beginners struggle with shaky hands while they are trying to solder. This can be frustrating, especially when you are trying to make very precise connections. And the question is, why does this happen? Well, I'm not here to give you medical reasons why this happens. There could be a few reasons why this happens anyway. First, let's talk about caffeine. So if you are like me, you might enjoy a cup of coffee or two when you want to start a project, especially during winter. And caffeine can actually increase the adrenaline in your system, which leads to tremor or shaky hands. And it is also possible that anxiety or nervousness about getting the job done and on time, this could make your hands less steady. So what can you do about it? I'm going to show you a simple method that I have seen experienced engineers do. I observed and I have done this myself. So I'm going to show you a simple method that you'll use to avoid shaky hands. When you want to begin your soldering, you have to apply flux. I try to place the component. Unfortunately, you cannot see the component I'm placing, but the goal of this video is just to show you how to avoid shaky hands. So the most important thing is how your wrists are well placed. So your wrists should be firmly placed on the surface, and then you have to have a flat surface, and this provides stability and helps reduce any shaking. So you'll notice that I keep my elbows close to my body, which also helps with control. And remember to breathe naturally. Don't hold your breath, just relax. Of course, and that is it. So try this out and let me know if this worked for you. It actually worked for me, and of course I'm sharing this because it's something I've learned, I've gained experience with this, and I decided to share this to other beginners, other hardware engineers who are finding it hard to solder effectively. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to this channel if you are the engineering guy who wants to develop his hardware expertise. And for the software guys, more videos are coming up soon, so don't miss out. However, I would like to share some tips that can make a big difference. So the first thing is that you need to use a helping hand tool so that your components can be held in one place. So this way you can focus your soldering without worrying about holding the component yourself. So you need something to hold the components in place. The second tip is that you need to keep your soldering iron tip clean and tidy. So a dirty tip can cause more resistance, making it harder to control the soldering iron. And of course, practice makes perfect. So if you are still struggling, try practicing on some crap component. The more you practice, the more confident and the more steady your hands become. I was surprised to see that my hands became steady when I applied these few steps. So try out these tips the next time you solder and let me know in the comments if they work for you. And I know how frustrating shaking hands can be. With a little practice and the right techniques, you can overcome it. It worked for me, so it should work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.